Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to become a mayor in Atlas Earth. Becoming a mayor in Atlas Earth is actually one of the most straightforward competitive systems in the game, even if it slowly turns into a quiet battle of who is willing to buy more virtual land. The title of mayor is simply given to the player who owns the most parcels in a specific area. So there's no application, no approval process, and definitely no election speeches involved. To check the current standings, you can tap the leaderboard or the area info near the buy land section, where you see who currently holds the mayor position along with how many plots they own. If you want to take the spot, you just need to purchase more parcels than the current mayor in that exact location. Once you exceed their total, the game automatically assigns you the role. For example, if the current mayor has 9 parcels, you'll need at least 10 to take over. It's a simple numbers game, but in practice it can get surprisingly competitive depending on the area, since active players can slowly push each other up the ladder. So becoming mayor is less about a special unlock and more about consistent land accumulation in one spot until you outown everyone else. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.